Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam Error Code 2 in a quick and simple way, so you can launch your games without any problems. This error usually happens when Steam cannot connect to its services due to network issues or corrupted files. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Restarting your router can often fix this issue. Next, completely close Steam and reopen it. You can also restart your computer to refresh all system processes. After that, disable any VPN or proxy service because Steam may block connections from unusual locations. You should also temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus to see if they are blocking Steam. If it works, add Steam as an exception. Another useful step is to verify the integrity of game files through Steam settings to fix any corrupted data. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version. After following these steps, Error Code 2 should be resolved, and Steam should run normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.